Hello students, let us continue with the question number 9 today of this exercise 6.5. It is said that a ladder which is 10 meter long, this is the ladder. The length of the ladder is given 10 meter, reaches a window 8 meter above a ground. Here we should consider as a window. If I give the name ABC. So AC is considered as the ladder which is 10 meter in length. Point A has a window which is 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. That means this is what we require to find out. Foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So let us describe this diagram. Remember students, the same kind of question will also discuss in the chapter that is applications of trigonometry in chapter number 10. So as it is mentioned that AC is length of ladder that is equals to 10 meter. Then BC, that is the window height from the ground 8 meter. Sorry, that is AB. And the length of BC we have to find out. Now we should always remember this is the wall and this is the ladder, so it always form a right angle at this point. So again we can see that in triangle ABC, angle B is right angle. You can see that the length of the two sides are given. Third we have to find out. So we'll use Pythagoras. So Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square of the other two sides. So the length of AC we have, that is 10, AB also we have, that is 8, and BC we have to find out. So keep it as it is. Square of 10, that is 100, square of 8, that is 64, and BC square as it is. As we have to find out BC square, I will take 64 left hand side, which comes in the subtraction. So when I'll do the subtraction of this two, I'll get 36. We know that 36 is a square of number 6. So we will obtain the length of BC, that is 6. So we can say that the required length is of 6 meter. I hope it is quite easy and you got it. Continue with the question number 10. It is given that a guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meters. So we can say AB is the vertical pole, or we can say the height of pole, that is given 18 meter, and AC is the length of the wire which is given 24 meter. Length of wire, we can say guy wire which is given, it's a 24 meter. How far from the base of the pole should be stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So that is the length of BC we have to find out. Again you can see that this is the same question which we have just done the previous one, question number 9. So again we can say that ABC, where angle B is considered as right angle. So by using the Pythagoras, square of the hypotenuse equals to sum of the square of the other two sides. AC is given 24 and this is 18. BC square we have to find out. Square of 24, 576. 18 is 324 and this is BC square. Plus, I will take this left hand side, it comes in the subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. That comes 2, 5 and 2. So BC square is 252. As we know it's not a perfect square of any number. So let us find out the prime factors of this number. 2 1s are 2s are 6s are. 2 6s are 3s are. 3 21s are. 3 7s are and 7 1s are. So we can say it is a square of 2, square of 3 and 7. BC square. So 7 is only the number which is in the one term. So when we do the square root, we know that 2 and 3 should be written outside and square should be written into the square root. So that is the length of BC. BC is 3 to the 6 root 7. So we can say that the length BC which is required is of 6 meter, 6 root 7 meter. Let us continue with the question number 11, which is one of the very good question of this exercise. It is given in the question that an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at the speed of 1000 km per hour. Suppose a plane started journey from here and this is the north region. So the speed of the plane is 1000 km per hour. At the same time another plane leaves the same airport and flies due west at the speed of 1200 km per hour. So another plane on the west side 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be there two planes after 1.5 hours? Matlab after 1.5 hours, what will be the distance of these two planes, plane A and plane C? So to find out this distance, first we need to find out the distance covered by the plane C and plane A, which is very important. So here you can see that the plane which is going in the north direction, the speed is 1000 km per hour and the time is given 1 integer 1 by 2 hour, that is 3 by 2 hour. As we have the formula of speed, that speed is distance upon time. As I told you earlier that this is the distance we'll obtain, then we'll obtain this distance. So by using Pythagoras we'll obtain AC. So if I'll make distance as a subject, so distance can be written as a speed into time. So speed of the plane, that is 1000 and the time is 3 by 2. 2 5s are, so it comes 500. So we can say that the plane A has covered 1500 km in the given time. This is we obtained for plane A, where it is going in the northern region. Now the plane B, which is going in the west region, the speed of this plane is given 1200 km per hour and the time duration is the same, that is 3 by 2. We'll use the same formula. So I'll use distance, which we have to find out, that is the speed into time. So 2 6 are 12 and 6 3s are 18. Now this plane has a more speed, so obviously it covers more distance in the same time, so 1800 km. So this is 1500, this is 1800. Let us use Pythagoras for this triangle to obtain the distance AC. So for triangle ABC, we can see here that angle B, which is right angle. So AC is the hypotenuse, sum of the square of the other two sides. AB we have, that is 1500 and BC, that is 1800. So the square of 15 is 225 and that should be 4 zeros, and the square of 18, that is 324 and obviously 4 zeros. When we do the square, this is, we have to write down the zeros double. Now when we'll do the addition of this two, there are 4 zeros as it is. 4 plus 5, that is 9, 2 plus 2, that is 4, and 3 plus 2, that is 5. We need to find out whether it is a square of any number or not. For that, see, this is the 4 zeros, so obviously that comes the square of 100. Now it's all about the 554. So I'll just find out the prime factors of 549. I'm sorry. So let us see that what are the possible factors of this. Let's see whether it is divisible by 3. Yes, it is there. 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are. 3 3s are. 3 6s are and 1s are. I think 61 is a prime factor. So then we obtain 3 square into 61. This is what we obtain, AC square. So when I'll do the AC, that is 100 into 3. As 61 is not a perfect square, So we can say that the AC is equals to 300 root 61. We can say that after 1.5 hours, the distance between these two planes A and C is equals to 300 root 61 kilometer. Let us continue one more very important question of this exercise. It is given there are two poles A, B and C, D. One is of height 6 meter and another is of height 11 meter. If the distance between the 2 feet of the pole is 12 meter, then find the distance between the height of this pole. So it's very interesting question. That is only one thing you have to understand in this question. You have to just join one line parallel to BC passing from it. If I'll join this and if I'll give this point E, so we can say that here ABCE is become a rectangle. So we can say that when I'll join AE is parallel to BC. So we can say that AE is same as BC as 12 meter and AB is same as CE as 6 meter. See here it is very interesting thing. Now you can see the whole length is given. Now as I'll say that if it is 6 meter, यहाँ पे CE हो गया 6 meter. The whole length is given 11 meter. So obviously this length would be of 5 meter. This is of 12 meter. Now you can see that we got this triangle AED. So let us first write down that ED is equals to CD minus C. CD minus CE, that is 11 minus 6. So here we are obtaining the length that is of 5 meter. That is ED, which we obtain here. Now AE we told that is same as BC, so it is of 12 meter. Now let us continue here. For this triangle, for triangle AED, angle E is right angle. So I'll use Pythagoras again. AD square is AE square plus ED square. AE that is of 12 and this ED which we obtained 5. So it is 144 plus 25. So this is 169 and 169 is a square of 13. So we can say the length of AD is 30. So required length is 13 meter. I hope students you are getting this. This is one of the most important as well as it's easy sum. Thank you.